Dear learners, in the previous lessons we used plural, visible and invisible subjects and the verbs were affirmative. Now, in this lesson we start with plural invisible subject with negative past verbs. For example, if you want to say they did not go in Arabic, you will say Ma dhahabu. They did not go in Arabic. Ma dhahabu. They did not go for feminine. They for feminine. In Arabic, you will say Ma dhahabna. Once again, for masculine, if you want to say they did not go in Arabic, you will say Ma dhahabu. They for feminine, they did not go in Arabic, you will say Ma dhahabna. You did not go, and you for masculine, you will say in Arabic Ma dhahabtum. You did not go, Ma dhahabtum. Dhahabtum, you went, you for masculine. And if you want to make it negative, just add ma before the verb dhahabtum and the full sentence would be Ma dhahabtum. You did not go. You did not go, you for feminine. You did not go. In Arabic you will say Ma zahabtunna. Simply zahabtunna means you went, you for feminine. You did not go in Arabic, Ma zahabtunna. It's very easy to make a negative sentence in Arabic. In English, you have to say you did not go. There are 4 words in English, but in Arabic, just add ma before the verb and it becomes a negative sentence. Ma dhahabtum, ma dhahabtunna. Similarly, if you want to say we did not go in Arabic, you will say Ma dhahabna. Dhahabna means we went. Ma dhahabna, we did not go. Once again, repeat with me. They did not go, ma dhahabu. They did not go for feminine, ma dhahabna. You did not go, you for masculine, ma dhahabtum. You did not go, you for feminine, ma dhahabtunna. And we did not go, ma dhahabna. Now see the examples of past plural transitive verbs in negative sentences with invisible subjects. For example, in English, if you want to say they did not play cricket, they did not play cricket. In Arabic, you will say ma la'ibu al-cricket. They did not play cricket. Ma la'ibu al-cricket. They did not play football. Ma la'ibna kurat al-qadam. If you want to say you did not play basketball, you did not play basketball, and you here you want to use for masculine. In Arabic, you will say Ma la'ibtum kuratas sallati. You can also say Ma la'ibtum kuratas salla. You did not play basketball, and you for masculine. You did not write the letters. You here for feminine. In Arabic, you will say Ma katabtunna rasaila. You can also say Ma katabtunna rasail. If you want to say we did not drink the water, we did not drink the water. In Arabic, you will say Ma sharibna al-ma'a. we did not drink the water. Ma sharibna al-ma'a. Now see some more examples of plural, transitive, negative verbs. For example, if you want to say in English, they did not drink the water. They did not drink the water. They here you want to use for masculine. In Arabic you will say ma sharibu al-ma'a. They did not drink the water. Ma sharibu al-ma'a. Simply if you want to say they drank the water, you will say sharibu al-ma'a. They did not drink the water. In Arabic you will say ma sharibu al-ma'a. The next sentence, you did not play cricket. You did not play cricket. You for masculine. In Arabic you will say ma la'ibtum al-cricket. Ma la'ibtum al-cricket. If the sentence is simple, you played cricket. In Arabic you will say la'ibtum al-cricket. If the sentence is you did not play cricket, in Arabic just add ma before la'ibtum and you will say ma la'ibtum al-cricket. Similarly, if the sentence is we did not cook the food, ma tabakhna at-ta'ama. Tabakhna at-ta'am, we cook the food. Tabakhna at-ta'ama, we cook the food. We did not cook the food, ma tabakhna at-ta'ama. If the sentence is we did not open the door, in Arabic how to say? Ma fatahna al-baba. Repeat with me. Ma fatahna al-baba. We did not open the door. If the sentence is we opened the door, in Arabic you will say fatahna al-bab. We opened the door, fatahna al-bab. We did not open the door, ma fatahna al-bab. If the sentence is they did not pay the bill, they did not pay the bill. They for masculine. How to say in Arabic? Ma dafa'u al-faturata. Ma dafa'u al-faturata. If the sentence is they paid the bill. If the sentence is they paid the bill, in Arabic you will say dafa'u al-faturata. If the sentence is negative, they did not pay the bill, in Arabic you will say ma dafa'u al-faturata. Ma dafa'u al-fatura. If the sentence is they did not hear the news, they did not hear the news, and they is here for masculine, you will say ma sami'u al-akhbar. If the sentence is they heard the news, they heard the news, in Arabic you will say sami'u al-akhbar. Sami'u al-akhbar. But if the sentence is they did not hear the news, in Arabic you will say ma sami'u al-akhbar. You just added ma before the verb sami'u and it became a negative sentence. So how easy is to make a negative sentence from an affirmative sentence? If the sentence in English is we rode the bicycle, we rode the bicycle. In Arabic you will say rakibna ad-darrajata. We rode the bicycle, rakibna ad-darrajata. If the sentence is we did not ride the bicycle, how to say in Arabic? In Arabic you will say ma rakibna ad-darrajata. We did not ride the bicycle, ma rakibna ad-darrajata. If the sentence is you knew the address, you knew the address, and you for feminine, in Arabic you will say araftunna al-unwan. Araftunna al-unwan. But if the sentence is negative, you did not know the address, and you for feminine, you will have to say in Arabic ma araftunna al-unwan. Ma araftunna al-unwan. In the previous lesson you learned the sentences in which the subject was plural and visible with affirmative transitive verb. Now, the same sentences are going to be changed into negative. If you want to make a sentence, the boys did not come. In Arabic, you will say, Ma qadima al-awladu, Ma qadima al-awladu, Ma qadima al-awlad. Simply, if you want to say, the boys came, the sentence in Arabic would be, Qadima al-awladu. The boys came, Qadima al-awlad. But if the sentence is negative, the boys did not come, just add ma before the verb qadima and the sentence would be ma qadimal awladu. If the sentence is the girls came, in Arabic, you knew how to make the sentence qadimat al-banatu. The girls came, qadimat al-banatu. But if the sentence is the girls did not come, in Arabic you will say ma qadimat al-banatu. You can also say ma qadimatil banat, ma qadimat al-banat. If the sentence is the children did not play, the children did not play, in Arabic you will say ma la'ib al-atfal. Tifl singular, atfal plural. The children played, la'ib al-atfal. The children played, affirmative sentence. In Arabic you will say la'ib al-atfal. But if the sentence is the children did not play, in Arabic you will say ma la'ib al-atfalu. You can also say ma la'ib al-atfal. If the sentence is the students, female, did not play. The students, female, did not play. In Arabic you will say ma la'ibat at-talibatu, ma la'ibat at-talibatu. Simply the students, female, played. In Arabic you say la'ibat at-talibatu. The student, female, did not play. In Arabic you will say ma la'ibat at-talibatu. If the sentence is the official did not go out, the officials did not go out, in Arabic you will say ma kharajal muwazzafuna. In the previous lesson you have made the sentence like the officials went out, and you knew how to make kharajal muwazzafun. The officials went out, kharaja al-muwazzafuna. Here in this lesson you are learning the officials did not go out, and the sentence is very simple. Just add ma before kharaj al-muwazzafun and it became ma kharaj al-muwazzafun. The officials did not go out. If you want to make the sentence the passengers did not return, the passengers did not return. Passenger singular musafir, passengers musafirun. Passengers returned. In previous lesson you knew how to make the passengers returned, raja al musafirun. Here in this lesson you are just adding ma before the sentence to make it negative sentence, and you say ma raja al musafiruna, ma raja al musafiruna. You can also say ma raja al musafirun. If the sentence is the engineers did not leave, the engineers did not leave, how to say in Arabic? Ma sakanal muhandisuna. If the sentence is affirmative, like the engineers lived. In the previous lesson you knew how to make the sentence the engineers lived, sakanal muhandisuna. Here the sentence is the engineers did not live. In Arabic you will say ma sakanal muhandisuna. You can also say ma sakanal muhandisun, ma sakanal muhandisun. If the sentence is the cups fell down, simply you will say saqatat al akwabu, سقطت الأكواب. But if the sentence is the cups did not fall down, the cups did not fall down, in Arabic you will say ما سقطت الأكواب. You can also say ما سقطت الأكواب. ما سقطت الأكواب. If the sentence is the nurses went out, the nurses went out, the simple sentence خرجت الممرضات. Nurses went out, خرجت الممرضات. But if the sentence is negative, the nurses did not go out, in Arabic you will say ما خرجت الممرضات. ما خرجت الممرضات. You can also say ما خرجت الممرضات. If the student, they went, the students went, in Arabic you will say ذهب الطلاب. ذهب الطلاب. But if the sentence is negative, the students did not go, in Arabic you will say ما ذهب الطلاب. ما ذهب الطلاب. The next sentence, the passengers, female, sat. In previous lesson you have learned in Arabic how to say jalasat al-musafirat. But if the sentence is the passengers did not sit, a passengers female, the passengers female did not sit, in Arabic how to say ما جلست المسافرات. ما جلست المسافرات. You can also say ما جلست المسافرات. The next sentence, if it is affirmative, the officials female lived. The officials female lived, in Arabic you know how to make سكنت الموظفات. سكنت الموظفات. But if the same sentence is being used in negative form, you will say the officials female did not live, in Arabic you will say ما سكنت الموظفات. ما سكنت الموظفات. If the sentence is the teachers female returned, the teachers female returned, in Arabic in the previous lesson you have known how to say رجعت المدرسات. The teachers, lady teachers returned, رجعت المدرسات. رجعت المدرسات. But if you want to say the lady teachers did not return, in Arabic you will say ما رجعت المدرسات. ما رجعت المدرسات. Now we are going to use the transitive negative verbs with plural visible subjects. If you want to say the students wrote the letter, simply, as you have learnt in the previous lessons, the sentence was كتب الطلاب الرسائل. The students wrote the letters. كتب الطلاب الرسائل. But if the sentence is the students did not write the letter, in Arabic you will say ما كتب الطلاب الرسائل. You can also say ما كتب الطلاب الرسائل. If the sentence is affirmative, the students female drank the water. The students female drank the water. You know how to make this sentence. شربت الطالبات الماء. But if you want to change the same sentence into negative one, and you want to say the students female did not drink the water, in Arabic you will say ما شربت الطالبات الماء. You can also say ما شربت الطالبات الماء. ما شربت الطالبات الماء. If the sentence is affirmative, the girls played the basketball. The girls played the basketball. It's very easy for you to make this kind of sentences. In Arabic, you will say لعبت البنات كرة السلة. The girls played the basketball. لعبت البنات كرة السلة. But if you want to change this sentence into negative one, in Arabic you will say ما لعبت البنات كرة السلة. The girls did not play the basketball. ما لعبت البنات كرة السلة. If the sentence is the children understood the lesson and it is affirmative sentence, how will you say in Arabic? فهم الأطفال الدرس. The children understood the lesson. فهم الأطفال الدرس. But if the sentence is negative, the children did not understand the lesson. In Arabic you will say ما فهم الأطفال الدرس. ما فهم الأطفال الدرس. If the sentence is the mothers cooked the food, the mothers cooked the food, it is affirmative sentence. In Arabic you will say طبخت الأمهات الأطعمة. طبخت الأمهات الأطعمة. But if the sentence is negative, the mothers did not cook the foods, in Arabic you will say ما طبخت الأمهات الأطعمة. If the sentence is the children open the door, it is affirmative. In the previous lesson you have learned how to make this kind of sentence. The children open the door. فتح الأطفال الباب. فتح الأطفال الباب. But the same sentence, if you want to change it into negative one, in English you will say the children did not open the door. The children did not open the door. In Arabic you will say ما فتح الأطفال الباب. ما فتح الأطفال الباب. Now we are going to give you some examples of past, plural, transitive, negative verbs in which sentences start with subjects. For example, if the sentence is the children understood the lesson, you know how to make the sentence. Al-atfalu fahimu ad-dars. The children understood the lesson. In Arabic, you will say al-atfalu fahimu ad-dars. But the same sentence, if you want to change it into negative one, in English you will say the children did not understand the lesson. The children did not understand the lesson. In Arabic, you will say al-atfalu ma fahimu ad-dars. Al-atfalu ma fahimu ad-dars. Similarly, if the sentence is the mothers cook the foods, you know al-ummahatu tabakhna al-atimata. If this sentence is verbal, the sentence was طبخت الأمهات العتيمة. But you used the subjects before the verb. You made the sentence الأمهات طبخنا الأطعمة. Once again, you change it into negative one and you said الأمهات ما طبخنا الأطعمة. The mothers did not cook the foods. Al-ummahatu ma tabakhna al-atimata. If the sentence is the children open the door, the children open the door. The sentence was al-atfalu fatahu al-baba. This is a nominal sentence. The verbal sentence in the same meaning was fatah al-atfalu al-baba. Fataha al-atfalu al-baba. But if you want to change this sentence into nominal sentence, you made al-atfalu fatahu al-baba. The same sentence, if you want to change it into negative one, in Arabic you will say al-atfalu ma fatahu al-baba. Al-atfalu ma fatahu al-baba. You just added ma before the verb fatahu. If the sentence is the patients paid the bills, in previous lesson you have learned how to make this. Al-marda dafa'u al-fawatira. This is a nominal sentence. Why? Because you are using the subjects before verb. The same sentence in verbal sentence, it will be dafa'a al-marda al-fawatira. And if you want to say the patients did not pay the bills, in Arabic you will say al-marda ma dafa'u al-fawatir. The patients did not pay the bills. Al-marda ma dafa'u al-fawatir. If the sentence is the officials understood the problem, in the previous lessons you have learned, the officials understood the problem. Al-muwazzafuna fahimu al-mushkila. If you want to say the officials did not understand the problem, you will say al-muwazzafuna ma fahimu al-mushkilata. Al-muwazzafuna ma fahimu al-mushkilata. If the sentence is the passengers boarded the train, the passengers boarded the train, and you want to make in Arabic a nominal sentence, in Arabic you will say al-musafiruna rakibu al-qitara. The passengers boarded the train. Al-musafiruna rakibu al-qitara. But if the same sentence is negative, the passengers did not board the train, in Arabic you will say al-musafiruna ma rakibu al-qitar. Al-musafirun ma rakibu al-qitar. Now we want to conclude this lesson. In the previous lessons you have learned the affirmative, dhahaba, how to make negative, ma dhahaba, means he went, ma dhahaba, he did not go, dhahaba, he went, ma dhahaba, he did not go, dhahabat, she went, ma dhahabat, she did not go, dhahabta, you went, ma dhahabta, you did not go, dhahabte, you went for feminine, ma dhahabte, you did not go, ma dhahabte, you did not go. Similarly, zahabu, they went, ma zahabu, they did not go, zahabtunna, you went, you for feminine. In Arabic, ma zahabtunna, you did not go, zahabtunna, you went, ma zahabtunna, you did not go, zahabna, we went, ma zahabna, we did not go. Similarly, if the sentence is dhahaba at-tiflu, you want to make it negative, ma dhahaba at-tiflu. Dhahaba al-atfalu, the children went, ma dhahaba al-atfalu. If you want to make it a nominative sentence, you say al-atfalu dhahabu, and negative al-atfalu ma dhahabu. Al-atfalu dhahabu, affirmative al-atfalu ma dhahabu. This is negative sentence. Thank you very much.